Today, I'm going to show you how to turn Outlook New Message Alert pop-up on or off. This is incredibly useful if you find those constant pop-up notifications distracting during work, or if you prefer a quieter email experience without those desktop alerts interrupting your focus. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will load all your emails and get your inbox ready. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if you have a lot of messages coming in. You want everything to be properly synced before making any changes to your settings. Now that your email has loaded, we're going to navigate to where all the important settings live. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there, and what you're looking for is the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This is the main hub for accessing Outlook's configuration options and account settings. Once the File menu opens, you'll see quite a few options listed. Don't worry about most of them right now. What we need is at the very bottom of this menu. Scroll down until you spot Outlook Options and click on it. This will open a new window called the Outlook Options window, which is where you can customize how Outlook behaves and what notifications you receive. In the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Mail. This section controls everything related to how your emails are composed, received, and displayed. It's packed with settings, so we need to scroll down a bit to find what we're looking for. Keep scrolling down through the Mail section until you find the Message Arrival section. This is the area that controls what happens when new emails come in. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Display a Desktop Alert. If this is currently checked, it means those pop-up notifications are turned on. Simply uncheck this option to disable those desktop alerts. Alternatively, if you also want to turn off the sound that plays when new messages arrive, you can disable the Play a Sound option as well. This gives you complete control over how intrusive or quiet you want your email notifications to be. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, click on OK at the bottom of the window. This saves your changes and applies them immediately. From this point forward, Outlook will respect your new notification preferences, and you won't be interrupted by those pop-up alerts anymore if you've turned them off. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully customized your Outlook notification settings to match your workflow preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.